Hello everyone, my name is Blogan. You are on my channel where I teach programming lessons from scratch. In this video I want to tell you about my upcoming C++ course. In this course you will get enough theoretical knowledge of the C++ language to start looking for your first job. The course is dedicated to complete beginners in programming. The main thing is that you know how to use a computer and the internet. I will be using Windows 11 operating system and Visual Studio 2022 community throughout the course. The number of lessons in the course will reach almost 200 lessons. First, I'll teach you the basics of Visual Studio, then I'll show you the basics of C++, such as variables, constants, operators, functions, pointers, structures, enumerations, operators, arrays, references, aliases, and more. During this part, you will learn other things related to counting systems, memory types, search and sorting algorithms, and so on. After all this, the second part of the course will begin, which is devoted to object-oriented programming. And that means I'll tell you about classes, objects, fields, methods, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, templates, cast operators, operator overloading, and more. I will also try to analyze the STL library, parallelism, standards, and many other things in as much detail as possible. The main thing is that each lesson will be devoted to one topic or several related topics, thanks to which you will easily find the topic that interests you. Also, my lessons will be filled with time codes, with the help of which you can see the content of each lesson and return over time to those lessons you need. The structure of each lesson is simple. I will try to show the problem of the lack of some construction, then I will introduce you to this construction, and at the end I will show several examples of using this construction. I'm emphasizing again that this course is theoretical, which means that I won't give you tasks to consolidate the material. You can search for these tasks yourself on the internet. Also, don't forget that it will be better for you if you learn the language through other sources, such as courses or books. I will talk about additional training and practice in one of the last lessons of this course. Another important announcement: if you want to become a programmer who uses C++ as the main tool for writing programs, then you should know that employers will almost always require you to know other things, such as design patterns, the ability to work with control systems versions, maybe the ability to work with networks for specific programs, maybe knowledge of mathematics, and so on. You will always find more specific knowledge in specific vacancies. But the most important thing in any C++ development job is knowledge of C++. This course is focused on this language. I also want to say right away, you are not obliged to know absolutely everything that I will tell you in the lessons. At interviews, you will definitely not be asked even more than half of what I will tell you. Your task is to understand all the material and write down everything you think is necessary. Also, I chose those topics that I think are significantly more important than other C++ topics. Since the language is developing, it's possible to record lessons on it. I don't want to turn a finished course into an endless one. During this course, you can write comments under the lessons in which you can ask additional questions, share your criticism and interesting knowledge that I didn't tell in the lesson. The main thing is to be adequate. If I don't like your comment, I will delete it. If it offends me without an adequate reason, I will block your account. You must understand that this is my channel, my space, and therefore respect my rules. In return, you will receive free C++ lessons. You may have already noticed that I'm not a native English or American. I learn English and therefore I may make mistakes in pronunciation and grammar. Sorry for that, and try not to pay attention on it. Concentrate on the knowledge I want to impart to you. Due to possible misunderstanding, I will add English subtitles to each video if it's not difficult. The last thing I would like to say is that you should know that I would be very grateful if you would support my work. You can do this by following ways: like my videos, write comments under them, subscribe to my channel, donate me via link in the description of each video, or become a sponsor of my channel. All these things will motivate me to continue my work. I will say these words at the end of each lesson. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you'll enjoy my course. Goodbye.